Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine x dx because we don't have the negative in here. So I will put negative on the left. So this one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. And now we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we have the final answer. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.